Is Exness still a good Forex broker in 2026? And more importantly, is it a broker you can actually trust with your money? In this video, I'll give you an honest, no-hype review of Exness, what it does well, where it falls short, and who it's really for. Let's start with the basics. Exness has been around since 2008, which already says a lot in the Forex industry. Many brokers don't even survive 5 years. Exness has been operating for over a decade and a half. It offers trading in Forex, gold, indices, stocks, and crypto, so you're not limited to just one market. Now let's talk about safety, because this is where most people are rightfully cautious. Exness is regulated by multiple financial authorities, including regulators in the UK and Europe. Client funds are kept in segregated accounts, meaning your money is separated from the company's operating funds. That doesn't remove trading risk. No broker can do that. But from a legitimacy standpoint, Exness is considered a well-established and regulated broker. When it comes to trading platforms, Exness supports MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, along with its own web and mobile platforms. For account types, beginners usually start with standard or cent accounts, while more experienced traders often choose pro, raw spread, or zero accounts. This flexibility is one of Exness's strengths. It works for both new traders and advanced traders. Now let's talk about trading costs. On standard accounts, there's no commission, and spreads are already competitive. On professional accounts, spreads can go extremely low, sometimes close to zero, with a small commission per trade. This makes Exness especially attractive for scalpers and day traders. Just keep in mind that during major news events or high volatility, spreads can widen. That's not unique to Exness. It happens with almost all brokers. One area where Exness really stands out is withdrawals. In many cases, withdrawals are processed automatically and can be almost instant, depending on the payment method and region. For traders, this matters a lot. Being able to access your funds quickly builds trust. So let's summarize the pros and cons. The main advantages of Exness are strong regulation, low trading costs, fast withdrawals, and flexible account options. On the downside, educational content is decent but not exceptional. And like any broker, it's not immune to spread widening during high-impact news. Also, Forex trading regulations depend on your country, so traders should always understand their local rules before getting started. So, is Exness worth using in 2026? If you're looking for a broker with a long track record, competitive fees, fast withdrawals, and solid platforms, then yes, Exness is still a solid option. But remember this, no broker will make you profitable. Your success depends on your strategy, discipline, and risk management. If you decide to try Exness, I've placed a registration link in the description below. By signing up through that link, you may receive trading fee discounts and special benefits depending on your region and account type. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it can help reduce your trading costs over time, especially if you trade frequently. Again, the link is in the description. Make sure you read the terms carefully, manage your risk, and never trade with money you can't afford to lose. If this review helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more honest broker reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.